What's up guys? Today's video, share ko lang guys kung gaano na lang kadali mag-renew ng registration ng sasakyan. And I was surprised guys na ganun na lang pala kadali. So without further ado, let's get started. So ang first step guys, kumuha muna kayo ng CTPL insurance. Pwede kayong kumuha sa M. Lilier or Cebuana Lilier. So mas mura doon kumpara sa mga insurance na nasa LTO office. Then yung pangalawa guys, ay emission test. So, nabayaran ko doon is 550. Maraming emission test center sa basta malapit sa LTO offices, marami dyan nag-offer. So, usually 550 or 500, depende na siguro. Basta nabayaran ko doon 550 pesos. At mabilis lang. Then yung third step guys ay vehicle inspection. So, check lang yung mga signal lights nyo, brake lights, reverse light, then signal lights. And of course, dapat may early warning device kayo guys. Kasi check din nila kung meron ka sa sasakyan mo. Alright? And the last step guys, or pang-apat, ay payment. So, ang nabayaran ko doon, 2,010 pesos. Okay. And then, after few minutes lang, as in, nag-release na agad yung OR. Yung bagong OR na ako. So, ganun lang kadali pala mag-renew. I was surprised kasi inisip ko maraming tinatamad mag-renew. Mahirap, pila, pero sobrang dali lang guys. Okay? So, magpa-register na kayo para iwas fully multa. Di ba? At wala kang kaba pag may checkpoint. Alright? And thank you for watching guys. And if you have questions and comments down below, ingat kayo palagi. Ride safe.